Hi, my name is Sean from Arani. In this video, I want to show you some of the accessories that we sell for our pot lighting products. They are used to either simplify their usage or enhance the spaces where they can be used in. We'll start with the first thing. It was also mentioned in the video of the products themselves. If you haven't seen those videos, I highly recommend watching them too. This is the extension cable. So all of our pot lighting products come with their own cables attached both to the junction box and the fixture itself. But if the distance between them needs to be increased, these cables are 4 feet. They can also be connected to each other up to 6 times for a total of 24 feet distance. And it is suitable for use with all of our offerings. So the 4-inch slims, the 6-inch slims, as well as our gimbal lights. Then next what we have are mounting plates. We have long mounting plates and the smaller ones. The long ones are about 2 feet long and the smaller ones are just really so we can identify for anybody who is doing the drywalling where the hole of a fixture is. If there's a wire to come out of it, it doesn't get buried in the ceiling and then we have to go look for it again. There are 2 sizes on the small one. One is a 3-inch hole. This is only for our gimbal lights that have a 3-inch trim. And then the next one has a bigger hole and it is to be used for our 4-inch slim panels as well as the gimbal lights when they are used with a 4-inch trim. The longer ones are with a 4-inch hole or a 6-inch hole, and again for our slim panels in 4-inch or our gimbal lights that with a 4-inch trim, or for our 6-inch slim panels. And then the final accessory that we have for these product offering is really just for our slim panels. These are Goof rings. This is really for either when the hole in the ceiling, let's say we're replacing an existing fixture, the hole in the ceiling is not exactly the size that we wanted, or the finishing has been a little bit damaged because there's been pulls on the old fixture in and out and so on. So we have them in 2 hole sizes. One is for use with our 4-inch slim panels. And then the next one is for use with our 6-inch slim panels. But they are in 2 separate sizes. One of them is 7.5 inches in diameter. And the last one is 8.5 inches in diameter for much larger holes. For any more information, please do write to us, service@arani.ca. You can also call 888-992-7264 or just visit our website, www.arani.ca.